Welcome to our tutorial on enabling video autoplay only when using Wi-Fi on X, Twitter, for a personalized viewing experience. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open the X app on your Android device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. This will guide you to the next step. Next, select Setting and Support to access the Settings menu. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy to further tailor your preferences. Now, navigate to Accessibility, Display, and Languages, and tap on it to explore additional settings. Look for Data Usage, and tap on it to proceed. Within the Data Usage section, you'll find the option to select Video Autoplay under the Video Settings. Tap on this option to customize your autoplay settings. To enable video autoplay only when using Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi Only to ensure your videos play automatically when connected to a Wi-Fi network. By following these steps, you can personalize your video autoplay settings on X, Twitter, to enjoy seamless playback experiences while conserving your mobile data usage. Stay in control of your viewing preferences with this simple customization option.